My girlfriend told me I couldn't fix the truck. Well, I'll prove her wrong. This is how we change tires around this bitch. She told me I couldn't get new rims either, right? Get new ones now. What you think, yeah? Shit. Look at that's new styling rims right there. All right, start it up. We're ready to go.
Yeah. I'd love to see this thing spin.
I mean,
It's a new kind of rim. I'm telling you.
It looked like
They're
a
spinners.
Man. Take your fucking nub off.
Redneck spinners right there,
It
man.
is fucking shit. Man, invest in torches. The shit's worth it. I'm telling you. Buy a fucking $200 sawzall, but I can't buy a 200 set of torches? This is bullshit. Bullshit. Yeah, right there. Cut that bitch off. More cutting, man. Shit. Cut this motherfucking truck up. Take that little bitch back.
I swear to God, it's only been 2 beers.
Yup. Don't give me 3. I'll be cutting your shit up, too. Hey. We'll travel for work, man. I'm good. I'll take shit apart. You want shit disassembled?
I tell you, investing in new blades would be a good idea.
Blades would be fucking smart for this shit, man. Wow, I might just cut everything up. You see why we're doing this? See what happens when your studs fucking strip? This is bullshit. Look at this. Look at this. Cook this motherfucker. Welded it right in there. Look at, there's literally no bits, no teeth left. Look at.
There is no teeth left.
No teeth left. That's how hard studs are. No shit. Can't chisel them. Can't beat them. You gotta fucking join them.
We still gotta cut through another one.
I didn't even get through one, I don't think.
No, you haven't got through one.
I don't even know how deep I'm into it. Fucking bullshit. It's not a sawzall.
I don't even know if you're getting anywhere.
I don't even think there's fucking no fucking finish blade left on this thing, man. See this through?
Oh yeah, that sounded like it. Nope, this way.
Yeah, but I don't think it's through.
Yeah, you're barely not through. Barely. I mean, it's held on by a thread.
Yeah!
Told you. That's one.
I almost got this fucking tire off. This is what I needed. Brakes, people. Brakes. 20-minute job. 20-minute job, people. 3 days, been chiseling on this bitch. Said, fuck it. Killing the rim. Killing the rim, people. Killed it. Murdered it.
And you get new rims.
2 guys in 2 Pullocks changing a tire. What the fuck we're doing? This is how my dad taught me how to do it. So you get scared? I need a new beer.
Gloves would be nice too. Probably this. No.
That's not it. I don't want to be cutting the wrong way.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you gotta get out of here. You gotta get out of here. Here, baby. Daddy don't know what the hell he's doing.
When it's dark, we can do the firecrackers.
Okay, baby.
You wanna do it?
Mm-hmm. Are you on the right one now?
Yes, right here.
Yeah. Alright. Right there, huh? Just cut them all off. Once they even got no lug nuts on it.
That's how we do it around here. Yeah, you're still hitting it. You're going to have to go at an angle. I don't know what the difference... You broke the blade.
Life is a push, man. People, I was born.
How many blades are we down to? Just the last?
See, poor, I got a fucking tool chest. Don't own tools. You own tools, you gotta fucking use them. Now look at the piece of stuff. Piece of fucking stuff. I'm just having one hell of a day. God damn. Use the rest of this junky piece of shit. You see teeth on that? I don't see no teeth on that.
And that's it, huh?
Well, we're gonna cut it anyway.
Use the wood blade.
Yeah! You think that swamp dude's crazy? He ain't seen shit around here. It's pinching. You're gonna have to help out. This is the only
I'm
way we got.
trying.
How am I hitting? I gotta be hitting another fucking stud, is what it is.
Oh, you are. Right there. Yep.
So what we need like that, right?
Now you're hitting the brake. Why was the other one not like
I
this?
don't know. It's because maybe we have a little more room with it. It's fucking stupid though.
And we broke another blade. We're going on brakes, man.
Hey, it's us again. We're about to have victory, one way or another. Look at that.
It's coming off. I'm gonna get hurt.
Yeah, you are. You're in danger zone. Yes, we might not have victory. We might have no victory. I want victory so bad, people.
It's
Come
been
on.
so long.
I deserve it. I deserve it. I've worked hard. Fucking broke fingernails and shit. Nothing. Look, it's only on like this much, people. There goes your yoke of my shit. Are you kidding me? Normally you can't even get them caps on. Figured out a new way.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, boy! Yeah, you can pause again. I ain't getting that bitch on. No victory.
No victory.
I'll be back, people. It'll be victory. I had to figure out a new way.
Okay, we're trying a chisel now.
I'm gonna fuck my caliper. I can't. Are you serious? I can't believe it.
Use the other hammer. Pound that one clawed in.
Oh, there's a half a fucking bolt on that bitch.
Oh, is there?
That's bullshit.
Okay. We're working on it.
He has not got victory yet.
We're down to the wood blade.
Wood blade, cutting metal.
It's got to be doing something.
Yeah, it's cutting sawzall blade. That's
Well, that's all we have. So.
No.
No?
No.
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 Victory, no. Not on the reach yet.
Time by hand.
What the fuck is this?
Make sure you're on the right stud.
Yeah. And even in the hole. It's halfway cut through. I'd hate to have to fucking cut a whole nother half.
That is not
Big.
going to work. I knew that wasn't working.
Around here at Redneck Construction.
We do not recommend this at home.
At all.
Getting a new blade.
That's right. What you normally do is just take woods and run them till there is no more. No more.
But you got suckered into getting a new one.
$3. Bullshit.
It's a nice fancy blue. Look at that. Look at that thing.
There's lots of teeth on this baby. Hopefully in 10 seconds I'm done and I ain't gotta worry about this bitch no more.
We're on the right one, right?
Yep.
You're on the right one. Yeah, you're on the right one.
I think I'm cutting two of them. Are you fucking kidding me? Jesus. So close, people. So close.
Oh my God.
Gotta be there. So close. It's just a little bit. You wouldn't believe it, man. Seriously. Just a little.
That's a even a new blade.
I got one more new blade. I don't want to use it. It's like, dude, you don't even believe it. I mean, literally, like nothing. Holding it.
Another new blade.
I had to get a smaller one in here, no more same length one.
Your local hardware store sucks.
Fucking hey, look at that, the tips are gone. Literally, gone.
Don't try and cut through studs.
Don't fucking buy no $2.99. $2.99 get you nothing.
Yep, it's on top. Oh man.
See, people?
And we got
Fucking victory, man.
look at that thing. That's how you cut off a tire.
Polish engineering at its finest, people. Polish people fucking rule.